Here we go. We have a question, strings rotation of each other. So you have given two strings of equal length S1 and S2, and our task is to find if S2 is a rotated version of S1. So in this we have ABCD and we have CDAB. So CDAB is a rotation version of string 1. So we got CD, yes, we got CD, then we got AB, so AB is there. So in the next test case we have AB, so we have A, yes, where we have A here, rotated one time, S1 become S2. So if I rotate this, so what will do? So we have uh, A, so A is here, then we have BA, so we have B and we have A. In this case we have AC, so AC is not in sequence, so this is not a rotated string. So how do we identify? If I add this string, if I add S1 to S1, we got ABCD, ABCD. So now we got a text is ABCD, ABCD, and this is our pattern. We need to find CDAB in our ABCD, ABCD, means S1 plus S1. So now the question is pretty similar to KMP algorithm. I will not gonna teach KMP algorithm. I have already taught you. I will just attach the video in the I button. So make sure you have a clear understanding of KMP algorithm. So let's directly jump into the coding part. We have KMP algorithm, and for the text I have S1 plus S1. For pattern we have S2. We need to find this pattern. So this is the KMP algorithm, and I am using I pointer for pattern. We have pattern. If any position pattern is found, just return true. And we have LPS function. So this is our LPS function. It will just fill out our LPS array. So that's about the KMP algorithm. Let's give it a hit, and let's talk about time and space complexity. I've already told you about the KMP time and space complexity. It is order of maximum n plus m, order n plus m, because we have two pointers, and space complexity is order of m. So we have solved this. Now let's look at the time and space complexity. So time complexity is order of n. So we have two different strings. So for the text string, the length will be 2n. So 2n plus n, it will be 3n. So we have written it like this. Order of n is our time complexity. So we have met this, and we have also met the space complexity, and we have also solved this question. I will provide the solution in the description box. Then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching.